We're constantly looking for different ways to grow things, and wherever possible to grow them cheaper and get the maximum amount of nutrition that we possibly can, even at this time of year. So we've just done an experiment with what they call microgreens, growing pea shoots, then growing masses of mini little seedlings all in one area. And we've done it two different ways. We've done it the conventional way, in a tray with some compost. Then we also tried growing them on nothing but paper towels. So basically, with no nutrition whatsoever. But we all know that the seed itself contains enough nutrition to feed that plant for a certain amount of time. So we thought we'd try both ways, and to be honest, both ways have actually worked. At first, what I'm looking at are these pea shoots. You just grow these to this size and then you just cut them all off to harvest them, and they taste just like peas. And they've not done bad in this tray. There's quite a few in there. They've not come out as dense as I actually wanted them to, but there's still something. And then we did these, and if I remember right, these were radish seeds, and these are now ready for harvest too, and they have come out quite dense, just the way we want them. But the main difference being, these seem a lot better. But these have been planted on nothing but a paper towel. Which also means that when you come to harvest your plants, grown like this, these come out a lot cleaner. These could have bits of compost on them if you're not careful when you harvest. But you guarantee that these ones will be 100% clean. So for me personally, I think that's the best option. It's costing you nothing except a couple of paper towels, and they grow perfectly fine, and you get a very nice, clean, fresh harvest. And that's basically how they'll come out. And again, easy to harvest. You just snip them off that paper towel. Since these are basically done, we might as well take some, because we can just plant some more, and they only take about 3 weeks to grow. So harvesting them, perfectly simple. Just grab hold of a bunch like that and snip them close to that compost, but without actually pulling them out of that compost, and then you're going to get really clean harvests. We'll do some more. Just take them away like that. If you've never had pea shoots before, give it a go. We have got a video on it as well, if you want to take a look at that. And as simple as that, that's done. And if you leave those, they'll grow back again. But we've already got a nice little harvest of pea shoots. Then we can just do this radish as well. And obviously you're going to get a nice peppery taste from this. And this one, again, is simple. Just cut them away. But we're at the risk of getting in compost. Nice looking little shoots. These won't grow back again. But you're still getting a good harvest. And then we can get all the bits off the bottom as well. And I think that'll do. And we got a lot more of those than we did the pea shoots, but as a whole we got a pretty good harvest. So the result of that is basically it works really well. Just growing on paper towels. You don't even need any compost. And all we did was pop that paper towel in a tray with holes in bottom, sit it in another tray, and then with bottom water so we weren't squashing those plants down. We've got a couple of videos on growing microgreens, so if it's something you might want to try out indoors through winter, then check that video out on channel. And these will go straight in a bag, and then we'll pop them in the fridge, and they'll probably last about 4 or 5 days, but not in our house, because these is the healthiest vegetables that you can eat. 40% more nutrients in those than there is the fully grown plants, and that's why they call them superfoods. And while we're harvesting those, we've got some more on go in little pots like that. It doesn't matter what you grow them in. You can grow them in little plastic containers, pots, trays, whatever you've got. Little plastic containers like that with holes in. Or recycle your old containers that you buy your grapes in, because these have already got loads of holes in, so they're perfect. So if you've never done this before, definitely worth a try. Very, very healthy, but also cheap. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, I really appreciate it. And if you've not subscribed to the channel yet, please hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and we'll see you on the next update. Take care.